Properties of numbers. This video will teach you about equality, identity, commutative, and associative properties. Reflexive property. Any quantity is equal to itself. For instance, a number A. For a number A is equal to A. Examples: 5 is equal to 5, or 4 plus 8 is equal to 4 plus 8. So basically any number that's equal to itself is reflexive property. Symmetric property. If one quantity equals a second quantity, then the second quantity equals the first. For any numbers A and B, if A equal B, then B equal A. Here's an example. If 8 equals 2 plus 6, then 2 plus 6 equals 8. Transitive property. If one quantity equals a second quantity and the second quantity equals a third quantity, then the first quantity equals the third quantity. For any numbers A, B, and C, if A equal B and B equal C, then A is equal to C. An example is if 6 plus 9 is equal to 3 plus 12 and 3 plus 12 is equal to 15, then 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Substitution property. A quantity may be substituted for its equal in any expression. If A equal B, then A may be replaced by B in any expression. For example, if n equals 11, then 4n is equal to 4 times 11 because we replaced the n with 11. Additive identity. For any number A, the sum of A and 0 is A. A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. So basically, any number plus 0 is called additive identity, or any variable plus 0, that's what it is. An example is 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, or 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Additive inverse. A number and its opposite are additive inverses of each other. A plus negative A is equal to 0. For example, 3 plus negative 3 is equal to 0, or 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Multiplicative identity. For any number A, the product of A and 1 is A. A times 1 is equal to A. 1 times A is equal to A. Examples are 14 times 1 equals 14. 1 times 14 is equal to 14. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Or negative 9 times 1 is equal to negative 9. Multiplicative property of 0. For any number A, the product of A and 0 is 0. A times 0 equals 0, or 0 times A is equal to 0. Examples: 9 times 0 is equal to 0, or 0 times 9 is equal to 0. Negative 10 times 0 is equal to 0. So any number times 0 is equal to 0. That's the multiplicative property of 0. Multiplicative inverse. For every number A over B, where A and B not equal to 0, there is exactly one number, B over A, such the product of A over B and B over A is equal to 1. Examples: 4/5 times 5/4 is equal to 20 over 20, which is equal to 1. -3/7 times -7/3 is equal to 21 over 21, which is equal to 1. So basically, a number times its reciprocal is equal to 1. And the reciprocal, you flip the numerator and denominator. That's what it is. Commutative property. The order in which you add or multiply numbers does not change their sum or product. For any numbers a and b, a plus b equal b plus a, and a times b equal b times a. Examples: 4 plus 9 is the same thing as 9 plus 4, and 9 times 7 is the same thing as 7 times 9. Associative property. The way you group 3 or more numbers when adding or multiplying does not change their sum or product. For any numbers a, b, and c, parentheses a plus b, close parentheses, plus c is equal to a plus parentheses b plus c, close parentheses, and parentheses a times b, close parentheses, times c is equal to a parentheses b times c, close parentheses. Examples: in the parentheses 3 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 3 plus parentheses 5 plus 8, and parentheses 7 times 8 times 3 is equal to 7 times parentheses 8 times 3. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a good day.